Today I'm going to narrate a short story on the topic Benevolent Mermaid of Wang Sisina. Legend has it that within the gently flowing Wangchu River beneath the stupas, a benevolent mermaid resided. Her kindness extended to blessing nearby villages, bringing them enduring peace and prosperity. The locals thrived in happiness thanks to her continuous benevolence. One day, the mermaid, aspiring to increase the cattle count for each family in the village, sent a unique bull. The villager, skeptical of its origin, caught and slaughtered the bull without observing its behavior. They built an oven nearby, started cooking the meat in a large pot for an grand feast, and called everyone to assemble. Ironically, as the meat cooked, it transformed entirely into water bubbles, leaving the villagers astonished. No trace of the meat remained in the pot. Regret filled them as they realized their actions too late. Upon learning of the incident, the lake-dwelling mermaid became furious. She decreed that no family in the village would possess more than 9 cattle, leading to hardships for the people of the area. To this day, it holds true, as the locals still do not have more than 9 cattle. On the opposite side of the Wangchu, on the rocky cliff, the inverted stair ladder is visible. This is believed to be the work of the sorrowful mermaid, symbolizing misfortune and bad omens. However, the village is now progressing well. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.